Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to join the Roblox Survive Lava for Brainrots Discord server. So, if you've been trying to get in and weren't sure how, follow along step by step to get connected. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Discord app or website. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the server list. Tap the plus Add a Server button. That's the button used to add or join servers. Now go to the bottom and choose Join a Server. You'll see a box asking for an invite link. Here, you need to type Lava Brainrot. Make sure you spell it exactly like that and keep it all one word with no spaces. If you're not sure about the spelling, copy it exactly as shown. After entering it, tap Join Server at the bottom. Discord will immediately add you into the Survive Lava for Brainrot server, and you'll be able to access all the channels and community features. And that's it. You're now part of the Survive Lava for Brainrot's Discord community. You can start chatting, joining events, and having fun with everyone there. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Roblox tips and tutorials.